Hey girl, so I sectioned off my hair in the front with a bun and I braided the back down, and I am going to take this old wig that I don't want to wear anymore because the lace is butchered and it's a bunch of glue and makeup on there and I don't feel like trying to restore it. So instead I'm going to get a little creative. I'm going to take the lace off. I'm just going to cut it with a regular pair of scissors, and I'm going to make sure that I'm being careful not to deconstruct the actual wig itself. And this is how it looks without the lace front on it. As you can see, very full, very able to just pop it on the back of my head. I don't have to worry about putting a whole bunch of bundles of glue and taking a long time to sew all that in. This is a wig hack, okay? You can do this with one of your old wigs that you were going to throw away, or if you have a half wig, this will work with a half wig too. So I'm taking this curved needle and I'm just going to sew around the perimeter of my head. I'm going to take my rat tail comb and part my hair down the middle and section it off so that I can get ready to do the boho knotless braids in the front. I saw this style on TikTok, and but this style is old, y'all. I had this style in high school, but the difference is it wasn't boho braids and it definitely wasn't knotless. Back then this style was trending. People would do it curly tracks in the back and curly braiding hair in the front. So it's nice to see this hairstyle make a comeback. It's a full circle moment for me because I love this hairstyle in high school. Now I'm going to go ahead and section off this first section. I'm going to do 2 braids in the first section, and I'm going to cut the rest of the hair off of the lace for the braids in the front so that it can match the pattern in the back. So for the braiding hair, I'm using a pack of, just literally 1 pack of pre-stretched braiding hair, and I'm sectioning it into 3 parts, and then I'm going to add 3 to 4 pieces of curly hair throughout the braid for that boho look. And I'm also going to put curly hair on the ends of the braid because I don't want to have to use perm rounds. So I kept this part in real time so you can see exactly how long it's taking me to do 1 braid. And I'm not going to show every single braid on camera because it's really repetitive. I'm just going to show you this first braid and the last braid and then the final result. So when I add the curly hair pieces in from the frontal, I just make sure I put them in upside down because it's easier to braid it down this way.
Lord, keep me from all evil. Lord, keep me as I travel down this road.
Now I'm taking the scissors and just cutting off the little pieces of hair that stick out of the braid, and this is how one looks. Now this is how it looks when I'm basically almost done with the first side of the hair, and this is just the last braid that I'm going to show you on camera. This style is perfect for my lazy girlies or for my girlies who just don't like to sit forever to get a full head of braids. Reduce, reuse, recycle those old wigs, okay? We are doing things smarter, not harder in 2024 and beyond, and that's on everything. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this style. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see next. As you can see, very versatile. You can wear it in different styles. You can flip it over to the left, to the right. You can put it half up, half down. 2 pieces in the front, middle part, bust down. It's very much giving everything. It's giving full head of knotless. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.